What's going on, knuckleheads? So in today's video, we are going to be removing the fuel tank on a 2015 plus Road Glide. This is all leading up to a video you'll see in the future, and the outer fairing was hopefully last week's video. But let's roll that intro and get started. So the first step to remove the fuel tank is to remove your seat. If you have a stock seat, you will have a screw at the back of the passenger pillion. I do not have a stock seat, as you can see. I've been told it's a CVO seat. I haven't seen the CVO with this seat, but it's what we'll go with. I tightened down, these are just supposed to be thumb screws, but I tightened mine down because it seems like they come just a little bit loose from time to time. Alright, so remove the seat after you got it separated. Pick up on the back of it and knock it backwards. That's the simplest part of this. Oh, and a pro tip, don't do what I did. I filled this thing up completely. Just yesterday. I didn't go very far after I filled it. Now, to remove the fuel tank, you have 4 bolts, 1 high pressure line, 1 no pressure line. Basically, it's just an overfill tube, and then 1 plug-in. So, God damn. All right. For the plug-in, it's just the gray plug at the back of the fuel tank. You can follow your wire down. This hose and then the high pressure fuel line here. That's a two-handed job, so you guys are going to be put down. Now the fuel line is disconnected. All we have left is the 4 bolts, and then the difficult task of lifting a fuel tank with 6 gallons of fuel in it. Not going to be very fun. The 4 bolts are here, and I never put my covers back on. There. 1 on each side. So we'll go ahead and crack these loose. To remove those bolts, it is a T40. I can't remember if I said that or not. Or you can use a 1/2-inch socket, I believe. Now to actually remove the tank, you'll pick up on the back end of it, but not too far. You don't want your tank to hit your console, I don't know what you want to call it. Pull it back a little bit, get your hand underneath the front, and there you have it. There is your fuel tank removed on a 2015 Road Glide. All right, now to reinstall, you'll just slide it on, smash a few fingers. I'm going to grab a hold of it on both sides, work it forward. There she looks to be in place. We'll get the 2 bolts in the front without tightening them up. Tightening them up, holy crap. Now we'll go ahead and put the 2 in at the back. And as soon as we get both of them in and started, we can snug them down and torque them. I don't have my torque wrench handy, so we're going to do German torque specs. Now we go ahead and hook up our vent line, overfill line, our plug-in, and connect our pressure line. There we go. Now she's seated on there good. And that's how you remove and install a fuel tank on a 2015 Road Glide. The pre-Rushmores, I have not done one, so I don't know what it takes on those. But that's going to do it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one. Oh, and there's a link down there in the description for merch. Yeah.